Have you ever tried to zoom in on a website but nothing happens? You pinch the screen but the website just refuses to zoom. This usually happens because some websites block zoom on purpose, but the good news is if you are using Chrome on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can force zoom on any website even if it's blocked. To do so, first open Google Chrome. Tap the three dot in the top right corner, then tap Setting. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Here, turn on Force Enable Zoom. And that's it. With the setup, you can zoom any website, even on those that blocked zoom before. So, given to its function, this feature is very useful if the text is too small, especially for reading articles, forms, or websites not made for phones. It makes browsing more comfortable and save your eyes. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.